This is what XRP investors are doing during a bear market. XRP has been relatively moderately priced recently, and the action has been much less exciting than it was a year ago. I mean, no one can deny that 2021 was the year that the currency rose hundreds of percentage points. We should mention that 2022 has been a very difficult year, and many people are beginning to wonder if XRP is dead. Obviously, it is not, and also they ask, when is it going to go from the bear market to the bull market? We will see the answer throughout this video. Will the SEC versus Ripple case leave investors jittery next term? Can XRP maintain its upward trajectory following the current development? We will further look at the XRP momentum towards 50 cents. If all this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on December 15th. This Tuesday, investor sentiment was tested by updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case. On Saturday, the uncertainty from Friday's redacted versions of the summary judgment reply briefs persisted. With both parties presenting their arguments, hopes for a resolution are dwindling. The reference to William Hinman's speech, on the other hand, will give the SEC pause for thought. If Judge Torres uses Hinman's speech-related documents in her decision, the speech-related documents will be made public. However, the SEC would have to sense that the case was slipping away before considering a settlement. The next court appearance is scheduled for December 22nd. Until then, we anticipate increased XRP price sensitivity to SEC versus Ripple case updates. Stuart Aldarity, Ripple's general counsel, tweeted that the company's response was its final submission. In the filing, he stated, the firm asked the court to grant judgment in its favor. Aldarity stated that the crypto company was proud of its defense of the crypto industry. Ripple stood strong and withstood the SEC's onslaught, said Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of the crypto payment company. According to the redacted December 2nd court filing, the SEC failed to prove the existence of an investment contract. Both Ripple founders, according to the firm, were entitled to summary judgment on their decision to sell on foreign exchanges. The SEC, according to the firm, was unable to provide any material facts to the contrary. Ripple stated, after nearly 2 years of pleadings, discovery, and motion practice, the SEC is still unable to identify the alleged common enterprise, explain how XRP holders can meaningfully expect profits from Ripple's efforts, and respond to the point that many XRP recipients invested no money at all. During the 2-year legal battle, Ripple received massive support from the crypto community. Crypto companies such as Coinbase and others have filed several amicus briefs. Aside from that, approximately 70,000 XRP holders filed a brief in support of the company. Ripple also won minor victories, such as gaining access to the emails of former SEC Director William Hinman. Meanwhile, several analysts have claimed that the outcome of this case will have ramifications for the entire crypto industry. Several cryptocurrency exchanges suspended and delisted XRP trading immediately after the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. At the time, the crypto asset was one of the top 4 digital assets in terms of market capitalization. Following the litigation, XRP's market cap fell to $9.98 billion, according to CoinMarketCap data. However, the asset recovered during the 2021 bull run, peaking at $83.42 billion in April 2021. During the lawsuit, XRP briefly traded above $1, peaking at around $1.80. However, the asset's price has dropped to 39 cents as of video time due to the current bear market conditions. Now down to the XRP leap. XRP will remain in the hands of the broader crypto market while investors await news updates and additional commentary on the filings. However, we anticipate a decoupling, with the SEC versus Ripple case muting the effects of the Fed and sentiment toward the U.S. economic outlook. XRP, the seventh largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of more than $19.7 billion, appears to be on the verge of a healthy surge. Unfortunately for traders, investors, and potential buyers of the crypto asset, this upward movement will be fleeting, and the bears are expected to seize control shortly after the altcoin's price rises. XRP has already lost nearly 14% of its value in the last 30 days. The altcoin could reach 44 cents soon. Whales have already moved over 150 million XRP tokens. According to CoinGecko tracking, the digital coin is currently trading at 39 cents, a 2.4% increase over the last 7 days. The cryptocurrency has already tested its resistance trend line twice in the last few days, while it has returned to its support trend line several times. As a result, XRP's price action has trapped it in an inverted flag pattern, which is a bearish model with a chance of a minor bullish breakout. The 39 cents zone is currently a critical support level for XRP, as failure to hold it would mean a continuation of the crypto's ongoing downward trend. However, if XRP manages to hold that line, there's a good chance that the inverted flag pattern will provide a window of opportunity for the asset to surge all the way up to 44 cents for a 12.5% gain. The cryptocurrency's decline in trading volume will eventually cool it down and pull it back to a bearish state all the way to 36 cents. Bithomp, an XRP-focused whale tracker, recently shared information about an unusual transfer of a large sum of the XRP token. According to the data, a crypto whale transferred approximately 143 million units of the altcoin worth more than $56.5 million from Binance to Bittrex, a major U.S. exchange company. Large investors have recently been active, moving millions of XRP from one anonymous wallet to another for the purpose of selling or facilitating withdrawal through a cold wallet. According to the tracker, whales have already moved over $150 million of the altcoin. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Following weeks of rallying, the price of XRP is now settling in line with the overall cryptocurrency market price trajectory. XRP investors have been anticipating the asset regaining the 50 cents position, which serves as a critical support level towards the $1. Indeed, crypto trading expert Michael Van de Poppy stated in a YouTube video that XRP is consolidating at the current price level as the Ripple native token attempts to find a support position before embarking on a massive breakout. We have a bullish divergence and are reclaiming the actual range low around 35 cents. We're currently experiencing a significant breakout. We're consolidating again, which is very typical of XRP's price action as it waits for a big breakout. Of course, you're looking for potential entries if a retest occurs around 37 cents, he explained. XRP is currently trading at 39 cents, with a daily correction of about 1%. Poppy stated in this line that if XRP rests around 37 cents, the level could act as a trigger as the asset will be looking for longs. However, if we break through resistance, which is currently at 41 cents, we will most likely continue to move towards 49 cents, he added. The latest XRP prices come after the token was removed from Coinbase wallets, citing low usage. Interestingly, Poppy stated that the delisting will have no effect on the price of XRP. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.